Hello, hello. Let me see. Wait. So today we are going to build something interesting which I have selected, and I will tell you in some time. So first, let's see who is right now live. I think this Ronnie is live right now. Let's see. Is Tommy live right now? I don't think he is. And then let's see who is tech builder Akash is not live right now. Let's see, Paradox, bro. Nobody is live right now, I think. Oh, he is live, but members only. Okay. So let's start the vibe coding session. So first, let's plan what we are going to build. Okay, so I think it is. Let me open Obsidian, or maybe not. Wait, let me think. Obsidian is actually really great for to save your ideas and use it as a agent or brain, you can call it. And I've created really big brain. So let's I think it's better to use Xly Draw here through browser. Yeah. Let me hear myself one more time, then I will be satisfied. Hello, yes, now it's working. Yeah. So let's. So today I'm going to build a software which basically I think helps you to remove your Gmail or any sensitive things or passwords from live stream. So basically, I'm like right now
Hello,
thinking
yes,
about it.
now it's working.
Uh, the architecture of it, and uh, like let me show you. So basically, what does it do is it removes passwords and sensitive data. For example, your database key, anything in this world which you can add, but I'm not sure that it will actually work. So let's try to build it and see that it actually uh, works. Yeah. So is anybody here right now? I don't think anyone will be here right now. Okay. So how does it works is okay. So I will explain if anyone joins. So let's start. Um, okay. Let's clear first terminals, and yeah. Ultimately, our goal in this stream is to make a really MVP for the software which we are building. I haven't decided the name yet, so we will decide in the stream. Let's see if I should. This is Obsidian is right now bugged. It is really laggy right now. Not laggy. there's like some problems whenever I open Obsidian because I have added too many plugins. So that's why I think. And let's see. So yesterday we were like using Pi and Hermes to build our app, which was let me find it where it was. Yeah, here it was. So build cast. Okay, this was. So it created really sloppy UI, which we are going to today fix it, which we are going to fix today. And let's see why it's not starting, why it's not running. Okay, okay, let me start some music also. So let's first finish that project, which is Buildcast, and I think it's really good idea for my stream. And the other project is also for my stream, but we make it we might make it um, open source. And this project also, which we are right now building, which is Buildcast, which basically helps you to manage your stream in a better way. Yes, in a better way. Let me show you. The UI is right now really sloppy, so ignore that. I think so, yeah. So where it is. Okay, so let me pop out the chat so I can focus on the building stuff. If anyone is here, let me know on the chat. In the chat, sorry, not on. Let me open my Discord. Launch right now. Okay. Nice. Let me join this stream. I think it's live right now. Okay, let me load the music.
Atlas, Janigal, loads and loads of schools are just the only reason you're there is for a diploma. You're not learning anything. And in this day and age, you can fake some of those. Like, I would just say, learn, just get on the internet money, do something, UGC, vibe coding, there's so much out there, but just truly get into that online money, because that first, I would even say first 1000 is so freeing that you realize, whoa, I don't need to because then 1000 euro is a lot compared to like regular jobs. Like for example, you're getting paid 18 an hour. That's like 100. Oh well, yeah, 100 hours, like just
okay,
those
so
50
let's
hours to
open,
get
I think
around
we
the
should
same.
open this.
Like you can sell websites for vibe coding, 2 hours work, 2 hours and a half work if you're a new vibe coder to sell a website for 1000 euro to some random bakery or some random finance guy. And that's more than most people make in those hours. That's insane if you really think about it. If you really work hard and sell a website 1000 and you work for 1 hour or 2 hours, that's 500 an hour pretty much. And then yeah, outreach, typing with the client, but still,
and this
the
is
hourly
Jack,
rate
of
you
course.
get from working
let me,
online
stop
is insane. It's literally
video.
insane.
This one.
Like getting
mean-
paid 7.5k for projects that normally would need like 20.
Okay. So let me pin this, this and this, and maybe this also. This also. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, so I'm also thinking to create Discord, Discord server and Discord bot probably. So first let's fix this. And where is the build cast? Let me open. Maybe here. No, not here. Not here. This is the best place to open a website because it's really safe. Yeah. Not safe, I mean like it's good. Max Blade. Oh, tech. tech friend AJ is also streamer, and let's open Max Blade stream.
As an
also.
as a full American, hell yeah, brother! It kills me.
It's also live. We're trying to
Okay,
build like a
same
benchmark
model,
to
different
objectively
harnesses.
test different harness
So
model
what he is
combos.
building is
So far, I've just got the 3 models
Agent
from
Battler, which is cool project, I
GPT-5.6,
think.
Sol, Luna,
Luna?
and Terra.
What?
But I'm testing it in 4 different harness frameworks.
Luna is
And you can see Pi
at
with Luna
top.
is actually placing top in this first season.
Wow.
This challenge was to build a chess agent under 50
Chess
kilobytes.
agent. Oh,
And
that's cool. And
I know
what he is
somewhere
building-
someone has the technology to
I
make
don't-
my B cam go up and down along with my desk. I'm
Yes,
just gonna say
there's
someone
technology.
has to have
I think so.
someone has to have the technology to allow my B cam, this one back here.
Okay, so let's start now. Building. Because I'm too much yapping right now. Where it is, where it is, where it is. And here it will be chat. So let's start it first and bun run dev. Let's open. Let me open a panel. And let's see bun run dev. I prefer bun because it's really good. And copy this link and let's see. Okay, so first we are going to fix the UI. Okay, I think this is okay, not bad. Yesterday fixed it actually, kind of. So how it will work is first let's add a delete option here. Everything works. Success condition, current objective, stream progress, overview and quick actions, current plan, stream controls. Okay, so I am thinking to add a web OBS, and I am thinking to add glass morphism. I think it is called that. So let's get some idea how can we build it really. How can we build it the UI really great way. There's a big problem. It's not like that. Ignore it. Let's just move it like this, and Hermes also. And it's better here because it's limping. Okay, let's see what are they talking about. So let's generate some images maybe. I think there's like a glass liquid glass. Yeah, liquid glass. It looks really clean. Let's use this. What is this basically? What is this? I don't understand. Dark glass, and this is oh, this looks so clean. This looks so clean. Let's use this and say chat GPT to like make a not chat GPT basically I mean AI. Let's see. So basically no, not here. Right now we are building this one. Okay, let me do one thing. Blank screen, then Okay, now we can work on it. So let me explain ChatGPT. So what we want. So basically, I want to use liquid glass as it looks really cool. And right now I have Windows, so I want to make it like Mac OS. As you probably know, glass looks really good on Mac OS. So I'm going to give you a screenshot. You need to uh, convert it to liquid glass UI UX, or maybe make a prompt for it to convert. How can you make it? As it looks right now really bad, and you understand what I'm trying to say. How can we fix it? Medium rating is good enough.
ठीक है। आईपीएल में किसको सपोर्ट करते हो? मैं नहीं देखता आईपीएल, वैसे आरसीबी को करता हूँ मैं विराट की वजह से, बट ऐसे मैं जनरली अब नहीं करता, अब देखता वैकता नहीं हूँ, कभी नहीं देखता। जॉब इन विच कंपनी? आई कांट टेल यू द नेम, आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू। मतलब आप जॉब करते हो उस रोल में, डाटा माइग्रेशन नहीं, डाटा बेस इंजीनियर, डाटा माइग्रेशन ऐसे सब काम होता है उसमें, तो माइग्रेशन वगैरह सब चीज़ें होती है, माइग्रेशन तो अलग चीज़ होगी।
Okay, good. Then okay, yes, I understand. Right now it looks like a dark admin panel with hard borders. What you want is macOS inspired liquid glass control panel. Translucent panels, clear frosted glass, softer depth, cleaner spacing, lighter chrome, refined highlights, subtle blur, floating controls, premium, calm, polished feel. Your current UI feels too boxed, too flat, too dense, too many hard borders. Okay, got it. Let's fix it. What should we change? Dark, okay, to liquid glass. Okay. Okay, so let's give this. So I'm thinking to use. I'm thinking to use GPT 5.6 Luna is enough probably for this. In meanwhile, let's do something else. Okay. So it is using some skills to implement it, and let's do some coding sessions here also, or maybe Pi. Okay, so there's a release, new release update of Codex CLI, and I think it is one of the best CLI. If I'm pronouncing really bad, my bad. Okay, so I don't use npm, we use fun. Okay, it's updated, I think so, and let's see what does what Codex CLI got updated. CLI. Okay, bug fixes, refreshed bundled instruction for GVD 5.6, Terra and Luna, and corrected their context value to 272 tokens. Oh, they fixed tokens. Okay, that's good. Hello. Okay, you can hear me, but why I'm not able to hear in the live stream? It's probably my issue. Hello. Okay, so global.cs, it is updating our CSS. Let's see. Oh, oh, not bad, not bad, not bad. It's okay. The UI, it's okay, okay. And I don't um open overlay. I don't want that right now. Let's see. Is this a good UI? I don't think. Mac OS, Mac OS, Mac OS apps. Let's see how are they implemented exactly. Apps UI UX. Okay, why it is not loading? Okay, so I'm not going to use this. What was that? Zen. We are going to use Zen. Okay, so let's open and what was that? I forgot. Mac OS apps UI UX. Yes. So how can we create a really good UI UX? And let's say this one. Okay, this one looks good. Maybe not. I'm not sure. Let's see this another one. Maybe okay. Kind of like this I want. So let's see. Let's copy this. I want kind of like this. Hmm. Is this a good UI UX for our project or not? Project. This is not a final UI UX for Buildcast. It is useful for visual reference for one part of the. Yes, I'm talking about visual reference. Okay, give me prompt. Choose graphite glass plus soft coral. Okay, let's see. Not bad. Okay. Okay, let's check my X and I have 79 followers. That's not bad. And let's see, show pet button. The chat GPT always appear a bit late, and every time I wanna check my usage. True, this is true. The US government may ban Kimi K3 per Axios. Kimi K3 is originating efforts to ban Chinese AI models. June, Fable 5 banned. July, Kimi K3 in the crosshairs. Kimi K3 pressure is why Fable 5 stayed on subscriptions. This is not good. I mean, it's not bad. Let's see. The prompt is completed, and let's use this. Oh, Pi anti-gravity CLI cursor agent GitHub Copilot. Yeah, this is true. Open code is like really bloated. It has like it uses this much RAM as you can see. This is really bad, and Cloud Coder is also really bad. Time to first input CLI time. Where it is okay. Hardness optimized. That's why like Codex is the best hardness for me. This it is really optimized and okay. Day two to for building in public. Goal is to earn 9,000 in July. Current progress installs 1,879 plus 790. Revenue 3,000. Oh, revenue is going great. $3,185. MMR monthly revenue. Return revenue. It is I think yeah. Let's see what is this guy doing. Let's see what is this guy doing. New. It is I think monthly revenue. Return revenue. It is I think yeah. $185. Going great. Three revenue 3,000. Oh, revenue is going great. 3,001. Okay, so it's still working. Let's see what it is. Uh, how many years it will take. So I'm thinking to use work on Build Arena. My usage is really bad right now. 28% weekly. That's not that bad, but yeah. So let's use Codex. Okay, so it is updated, and let's use our CLI Codex CLI. Is it completed or not in Hermes? Hermes. Okay, so it's still working on it. Everything works. Bitcast session test. This stock move overlay. The bug fix. Weird question. Active task. Manage completed. No active task. OBS connection overlay. It is still working on it. Okay, let's also build the other project also. So basically, it show you. Okay, so should we start building it? Okay, so what it is saying is yes, we should start with the smallest foreground window detection, deterministic rules, OPS, privacy shield, switching, Notori UI, OCR, or browser extension get. Um, okay, So I'm using the writing plan approach to log the first implementation before code expands. Yes, start building it now, but do not start with a full Tory application. Harsh builds privacy guards. No, no, that's really trash name. I don't want that. Okay, first the name is really trash and it's not appropriate. Appropriate. No, saying it really. I'm saying it bad. Way. It's not. Uh, it's not really. Honestly, it's really bad name. So that's why we should not use it. And let's find a better name. What should I select? Let me think. Hmm. Always suggest me some names. Some names. Like Codex, Claude Code, or HyperX, whatever, HyperX, uh, Apple, etc. for this project. Let's use Medium. Okay, so it is completed. And let's see where a visual verification was completed on the desktop control route, physical OBS microphone, telemetry, real Discord state, and actual OBS connection, clipboard behavior under restricted browser permission, overlay opening, and an external browser window every task. Current backend has no real OBS microphone Discord state model. So these tiles remain informational manual. The overlay URL is wrong. The visual, okay. Let's see. Harsh bench. Okay. Wheel. No. Oak. Occlude. Table. Clock. Hidden. Clock. Wheel. Hush. Mask. Frame well. No. This is very trash names. No. Which uh justify this project and is unique also. I will judge name on four things: product meaning, memorability, memorability, ability, ability, memory. I have framework, framework, framework is active. Block. Framework. Share your screen. Okay. Will cast frame clock, blind frame, frame ward is okay. Okay, so lock in frame what and how we will build it. Let's see. This is really bad UI. Let's fix it. Okay. Uh This is better structurally, but it is still does not look like macOS Control Center reference. Verdict: Live console. Structure much better. Usability improved. Visual execution. Still too generic and flat. Liquid glass. Quality weak. Of course, it's really bad. So how can we fix it? How can we fix it? Okay, page lacks atmospheric depth. The macOS reference has background color variation, blurred environmental color, different class opacity by layer. Yes, that's true. So, too many outline rectangles. So, how can we fix it? So, make a prompt. This is the prompt. Let's fix it. Okay, so my project name will be let's think. Let me think. I think frame board. Okay. And I think we should use Hermes for from this work for this. Let's copy this and paste this from to fix the UI UX. Okay, so it's still fixing. Oh, no, no. So let's work on framework. So first we are going to plan mode. We are going to go in plan mode and going to use Terra, not Soul because Soul. Maybe let's use Soul. Let's use Low Soul, and the name will be framework. So how can we start building it? So okay, repo structure will be like this framework cargo.toml. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's start this build, but make sure that it has the best practices and optimizations. As we work on the principles, uh, and it should be we should work on principles and it should be really robust and really consistent and reliable. Make sure the prompt should be has uh, best fundamentals and optimization uh, optimization rules. Make sure that the code is actually really robust and reliable and also consistent. So whatever the uh, best approach is to write best code, implement it. Okay, so build cast is still building. Like I mean, Hermes is still building it. Oh no, what is this? What is this crash? Okay, let's directly talk here. let's use soul. Where it is, where it is. Low, and it should be this one. So let's talk. Hello. So basically, we are building framework. Okay, no. I can say here because my plan is there, but that's okay. We can say it. So basically, we are building a project which is framework. You need to make sure the code is actually really robust, as I have seen that you write really bad code and which is not makes no sense and is not systematically generated. So make sure rigorously make the prompt optimized and really use all the principles and genuinely it should be really good. The code should be really polished and it should not be that much messy. So use the best principles to write the best code for Rust and whatever it should be the best. So yes, so make a best prompt to implement it. I'm thinking to use Hermes and Codex is like Codex has less skills and it don't use all the skills which I need. I'm tightening the this into an implementation contract, not a generic coding prompt. It will log scope, architecture, coding, code quality, rules, test evidence. I'm treating framework as a slip the logged framework. It was framework. Yeah. If anyone is watching, let me know in the chat. Yeah, chat. So can you build a architecture image also which visualize the project? Let's see what are they doing. What are these guys doing?
Maybe 4.
Oh,
It's an online multiplayer 3D game, all in 3JS. You can play on any device, inspired by RuneScape.
Want to do that though, guys?
और अगर ये टेस्ट है इसके अकॉर्डिंग तो 1.2 मिलियन के लिए $0.92 बहुत बहुत कम है ये तो. अभी तो सोल्ड आउट दिखा रहा है इसके इस पे. मैं देखता हूँ एक बार वेब पे.
What the fuck?
let's play this game.
Yeah, that's the 3D vibe coded game. But apparently, like, Kimmy's so good at vibe coding now. I made that game like 3 years ago when we didn't even have any model choices except ChatGPT. You have a new use case for very long videos. Oh, for Clippy?
Lol.
Nice, yeah,
What
man.
is this?
Send me the DM. I'll make you a build.
Yes.
Jackpot.
Trash game.
Okay, so we should be able to duplicate layers now in Clippy, which is not running.
So we should be able to build this project. We should be able to build this project. Let's see. Let me give it prompt. first make a plan. Okay, let's start. We will use GPT 5.6, GPT 5.6. So medium is enough for this project. Let's see what did our prompt for build cost build. So it is still working on it. See, did it fix it or it is still trash? Um, it's still bad. Autonomous AI agent scale. Okay, so it is inspecting repo and tool chain. Let's see. Oh, three views. Not bad. If anyone is here, let me know in the chat. Okay, let's start now. So basically, if anyone is here, actually here, then I will explain what I am building. Okay, so let's complete the UI of Buildcast, which is really still bad. So first, I don't like these manual, not connected. What it is called? What it is called? I don't know. Let's see what it is called. I have an idea. I have I have an idea. Let's open. Uh, Never mind. Wait. Let me think. How can I fix it? Setup page. Okay. Global.css framework. 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 Why it is taking 1 year to implement this small UI UX? Why it is taking so much time? I don't understand. Let's see. Framework. What are they doing? What are they doing in here? Okay, so it is completed and frame bot. Oh, it is not completed yet. it's asking me to accept the rules, tools. I mean. Okay, so build cast when the AI is going to finish. It is taking 1 year. Hello, anyone is in the if anyone is watching, let me know if anyone is watching. Let me know in the chat that you are watching the live stream. As I can see, there's like four people are watching. So if you want to know what I'm building, basically I'm building two projects, and which is first one is Buildcast, uh, which you can see here. The UI is very sloppy, as you can see. I'm still working on it because I used the wrong model to build the UI. Now it is very difficult to fix the UI, and the AI is not able to fix it. I'm like explaining it in I'm explaining it in a more bit all more bit. This is like rhyming. So approval needed. Let me approve. What is this to call it? Uh, let's use pi. So what should I do now? Framework is my second project. Basically, let me explain you in simple way. If anyone is actually watching, those four people are real. Then let me explain. Framework is which basically helps you to live stream in a better way and safe way. So if you have like streamed, then you probably know that you can leak your email or or sensitive data. Sensitive data, for example, there's like many things. Okay. So now, like it was like 4 people were watching. Now it is one. It's okay. I Oh, this game. Who created this? Which model created this? I think Quinn 3.8, probably. I think. I think so. Think so.
Which is kind of different. Like, you know, a few weeks ago they gave us bank resets so we can choose when to utilize them. They do have an expiry date, but yeah, it's kind of a weird system. I don't know if anyone else kind of does it like that. Why would I trust you? Yeah, I think that was the biggest one, Regan, on your app, because yours is like a very, like, it depends. If it's like sensitive data, people
Okay.
are just dumping like
So
logs.
now, like it
But
was
the fact
like
that you're
4
like
people
calling it
were
encrypted
watching.
and
Now
stuff
it is
means like probably people want to put their sensitive data in there. Maybe we're gonna just explore ChatGPT this week. Yeah, man, ChatGPT is great. It's kind of what started this whole second wave of AI. Yeah.
क्या है ये? अच्छा, structure, welcome announcement, content drops, rules, vibe and build, only category that matters, general, code help, builds, resources, hangout, introduction, media, okay voice, general VC, dev VC, ठीक है, support और ये ठीक है भाई, सही है. सर्वर का स्ट्रक्चर ये कैसे सवाल था? मुझे लगा कुछ और था, फिर अभी देखा मैंने, फिर मुझे समझ आ गया. मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया, पहले मुझे लगा कोई प्रॉम्प्ट लिख के भेजा है.
okay. So I am back. Let's now build. Let's check is our framework completed or not. Okay, it's not. So this is taking 1 year. Setup is form is still vertically long because I think fix all the issues and okay. So let's say let's say ChatGPT to generate a better UI for our website. Let's go here and generate me some website some images. No, not images. I mean limiting some sections, not in one canvas specifically, and improve the UI UX. It should be white also. Make sure, and it's really trash right now, as it has no hierarchy. typography, and whatever our UI UX needs. Okay, so let's why it is not working? Why it is not working? Let's fix the UI. Uh, okay. What is this? LLVM. I don't know. Hmm. So, what is LLVM? Let's see. What is LLVM? LLVM is a collection of modular and reusable compiler and tool chain technologies used to build software development tools like compilers and debuggers. That's great. Okay. Originally standing for low-level virtual machine. The name is just an intilism. Intilism. It is foundation behind languages like Rust, Swift, and Clang. Clang. Clang means what is this? Oh, Clang or C or C++. Great. So let's read. Okay, so the UI is actually now great. This is really good, I think. So, so let's say AI to implement it for us. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the chat, live stream chat. Live console, broadcast video progress still in public. Build class session test. Active task mark complete. I mean. Current objective. Ship one feature. Stream progress. Success condition. Everything works same currently. Version 6. Okay. Let's see this now. Oh, not bad. Generate a prompt to implement these all images in my website, as it is right now really bad and it's not consistent, so make sure it is really consistent in our whole website. Okay, these all images in my website as it is right now really bad. Let's implement the website and let's work on framework. Okay, so if there's anyone in live stream, then let me know in the chat that you are not a bot. Live chat, in the live chat. scale, it is good now. Throughout June, we rolled out major updates to ChatGPT memory. It can be hard to tell the difference initially, but a lot of folks are clearly feeling the improvements now. I think yeah, it's really great. I think the memory system is really great now. It's I think the one of the best or maybe the best out there. Why it is not opening? Hey Tibu, Tabo. Sorry, what I'm saying. Tab. I don't know how to say. Tabo. Yeah, Tabo. How about we open source the reset button? What is this? No. What are they saying? Let's see. Is there any writing on ChatGPT's new memory? It is used to suck, and now it's very good. Hmm. Okay, Kimi K3 is insane in creating games. Someone just built this inside Higgsfield supercomputer solo. Oh wow, this game. This is amazing. For an open source model, this is like crazy. Someone built an open source search engine for tech jobs. So what is this? I don't want to read that. Basics of learning AI. AI. Okay. Someone just built this inside Higgsfield, the supercomputer solo. Okay. Okay. So now Hermes is now building a website which should look like this. Live console, setup history, and I think this is really good UI. Let me know your opinion. How is this how will you rate the UI in the chat? Anyone is there? Okay. Okay, let Hermes uh, implement the UI, and let's work on framework which is taking 1 year to build, because we are using Rust, as it is really optimized, and like there's some more features which are really efficient for this project.
जगा दे आके फिर पानी मार के। भाई तेरा कोडिंग चैनल नहीं है, पता नहीं भाई क्या है भाई। आधा पहले स्टार्टिंग में तो काम ही चलता है, उसके बाद काम खत्म हो जाता है, 2-3 काम रहते हैं, हो जाता है खत्म। भाई अपनी क्रोम हिस्ट्री दिखा बिना डिलीट किए, होगी ही नहीं कुछ। ठीक है, रॉन पता चल गया 10th में हो, बस करो। Oh my god, we want Rumik? Bro is precautionary. इनकॉग्निटो का हिस्ट्री दिखाओ, इनकॉग्निटो का हिस्ट्री तू निकालेगा आगे। आर्यन मत कर स्पैम, नहीं तो कल डंडे पड़वाऊंगा सर से। हाय रॉनी भाई, हाय प्रियांशु।
Okay, so this guy is now live. Let's see.
Coder, Sahil, or no, not this account. I want to use other account.
Okay, so finally it is now starting coding. As you can see, it's now writing some code models rs rust. Okay, let me check my use limits. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, this is good. This is now better than previous. This is now better. Okay, okay. So first, what we need to fix is, I don't like the way task and then there's like task progress, and for the timeline recent markers, it has like box inside box and it looks really bad. And then marker node has like a different background, and then add task is like it's really bad. I think UI UX and session session objective shift one feature, and like this is also really bad. So yeah, you are probably fixing it in real time. Let's see. And mark complete. What is this? I don't understand. No question is currently shown. It should be at center, I think. And quick markers is two times in the UI, which looks really bad. And shift one feature, success condition, everything works. This is also really bad. Also, now I'm thinking to add new features. First is that we are using Steam. What was that? I forgot the name. I think it is called something like name Steambot. Okay, yeah. We are going to use Steambot to get data from a live stream, for example, live chat, likes, subscribers, like everything, and it will show on the build cast everything from A to Z. So how can we implement that also? And I'm going to give like and think out of the box. What else should we implement other than this other than this? Okay. Okay. Let's see. It is still implementing, and let's see if framework what it is implementing. So it created config docs folder, scripts, src app.src config foreground monitor, lib main models, OBS controllers, privacy state, process inspector, and other files. That's great. What else can we add? Make a plan first. Using Brainstorm to separate the UI cleanup from the live stream data integration and prevent another overbuild. Okay, live console. Yeah, live console audience hub powered initially by Steambot combined live chat, activity, one chronological feed combining bugs. Okay, stream plan. Yes, that's great. Streamer bot. Okay, use this flow. YouTube, Twitch, Kick, Streamer.bot, Streamer.bot, WebSocket, or HTTP events, buildcast, local node server, normalized buildcast events. Okay, great. Now let's see what we are basically doing. Wait, let me. Okay, let's copy this prompt and let's paste. Okay, never mind. I did a mistake. So, additional features worth considering. These are useful addition, not random extra. Stream health, raw frames, bitter rate, FPS, focus mode. Okay. Yeah, we can add timer, active, task, chat, current question, mic state. Everything else is hidden. Chat to task. Convert a useful viewer suggestion. And I want to add a really cool animation whenever we change the tabs or like modes, then it shows really cool animation that macOS has when we change the windows and kind of like that. And question radar, instead of automatically treating every question as important, detect candidate questions left. Let let the streamer accept one. Please accepted 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 question into a tweet. Show only one active question. Initially use deterministic rules, not AI. Okay. So let's start. Okay, yeah, we can also add milestone. And also then we can later add widgets like iOS has, and then we can add those widgets on directly my stream. What do you think about it? This is cool, I think, really good. Privacy mode. One action should. So let's build all of these and yeah, let's phase by phase, let's work on it. Really cool animation. We change the when we change the mode from focus or anything else. What else can we add? Let me let me know some ideas. Okay, let's select this model and start. Add. I want elegant, fast, operational, or adapted. Okay. I think B1. Let's choose C. Phase 1. Now let's start phase 1. What? SRC? Why there's like rust here? Let's see. Adaptive mode transition. Okay. Let's see. Does it looks good or it is still bad? Continue. We want to use Terra and it doesn't let me choose, bro. What is this? Bro, this is so trash. Artemis is so trash. Why it is not letting me? Why it is not letting me use this model? Stop.
I want to make sure it's. Wow, this transcription, okay. Okay, firstly, commit and push all.
Still called their own shots, along with the hugely successful Dark Knight trilogy. He made his original hit movies like Inception and Interstellar. But Marvel, Fast and the Furious, and Transformers have all stumbled at the box office recently, as audiences have grown tired of them. Gen Z, in particular.
Okay, let's check. Oh, okay, let's check Discord. Also implement theme. Selector. I want to add black theme also. Audit this whole website. Okay, founder. What does it do right now? Let's see the code base, how it is actually. I need to fix the issue. Yes, so this, I don't think this is. How to how shortcut. Okay, now see how is the audience session. That's great. Okay. Section. Activity. Still looks bad. can fix the UI. Let's see. Uh, okay, so we can open editor. One folder, organize them in different folders. Make sure I'm programmers. Okay, let's read bridge mine Discord server. So give me three. See the WebGL canvas for building in immersive web experience. It's really great UI. get started. Visual source. Oh wow, this animation is really great. Okay, missing initial foreground state. Okay, let's open the. It's not working. This is not working. This is not working. Okay, inspecting binary startup, skill view, software development, systematic table. Let's see. Big SF background or which let's do all of this one. Also, I want to develop or integrate integrate uh, uh, what how can I explain it? Let me explain. I want an I can drag and drop anything in our build class. So basically, if I go in activity, I can drag and drop anywhere. For example, like warp WARP, where we can open many terminals. So I want to make sure that I can move activity audience session anywhere I want. So I can adjust the length, height and width, like I can do anything. I can move talk mode, microphone, OBS connection, overlay and quick markers, viewer questions anywhere I want to move them. And I can and whatever you think is the best, we can implement that also. To make a prompt, how can we implement this also? Okay, so I'm thinking to live stream on both of